Good morning. Welcome to your daily weather briefing at 10 a.m. We have some mostly cloudy skies out there this morning. We'll see mostly sunny to partly cloudy this afternoon. We're already seeing temperatures in the lower 70s here at Wallops. We have actually already broken our record, our daytime high temperature record for today. It was 69. We're already up to 71. Expecting temperatures in the mid 70s today, so very impressive warm weather we have across the Wallops region, breaking high temperatures not even at 10 o'clock in the morning. Across the region yesterday we did see temperatures in the mid 70s across many locations, unseasonably warm weather across the Mid-Atlantic region. Wallops, we broke a record yesterday. Our old record was 69. We saw 75 degrees. Norfolk saw 75 degrees. Salisbury was a little bit cooler with some low cloudiness persisting across that region for a longer portion of the morning yesterday, only seeing 68, while Washington, D.C. was the warm spot at 78 degrees yesterday. Across the region last 24 hours, for overnight lows, we did see 48 degrees at Pax River, 51 here at Wallops. Most locations in the mid to upper 50s for lows last night. Haven't seen any precipitation last 24 hours. As of 9 a.m., we are seeing temperatures rebounding very quickly and quite nicely into the mid to upper 60s in general, with anywhere from mostly sunny to mostly cloudy skies, seeing a good amount of cloudiness across the northern portion of the Mid-Atlantic region this morning. Here at Wallops we saw 62 degrees as of 9 a.m. with mostly cloudy skies. Looking at our sounding from this morning, we have a freezing level at 14,100 feet. Winds are southwesterly throughout the whole column this morning, 35 knots at 1,000 feet, and continuing from anywhere about 25 to 35 to 40 knots throughout the column, with our peak wind this morning at 25,000 feet out of the southwest at 39 knots. Looking at our radar from this morning, we're not seeing any precipitation on the radar this morning, just a little bit across West Virginia that's not going to be reaching our region. Just going to see some anomalous propagation or ground clutter around the radars today. Our next chance of precipitation comes tomorrow morning with a backdoor cold front moving through and a possibility of some light rain showers or drizzle across the Wallops region. Looking at our satellite, our near-infrared image, our vegetation band here, seeing some low cloudiness persisting across the Delmarva Peninsula. That low cloudiness is thickest across the central and northern portion of the Delmarva Peninsula this morning. Going to see that cloudiness around 1,500 feet continue to scour out, and we'll see mostly sunny skies for the mid-afternoon hours with well above normal temperatures. Our surface analysis this morning as of 12Z, we have a frontal boundary that's currently across the Ohio Valley, stretching into the eastern Great Lakes. Also have a stationary boundary across the northeast states that's actually going to be dropping down through our region as a backdoor cold front to move into tomorrow morning. But for today, we'll have this high pressure in control that's off the southeast coast, almost a summertime type pattern with a Bermuda high that's going to be pumping in well above normal temperatures. Looking at our prog charts the next few days, this is our Wednesday PM planner. That backdoor cold front starts to approach from the north, and finally by our Thursday AM we'll be crossing the region with some scattered showers and light drizzle along that frontal boundary. Looking at our Thursday PM planner, our high tomorrow morning will be during the morning in the lower 50s, and then temperatures dropping the upper 40s during the afternoon for our Thursday, with some light drizzle or light rain showers across the area. This area high pressure that will be building in from Canada into the northeast states. Looking for our Friday PM planner, we'll actually have that backdoor cold front move back through the region, or try to move through the region on Friday, giving us a continued chance of showers and low cloudiness. Temperatures will be slightly warmer on Friday, and exactly the placement of that cold front will determine if we can see temperatures moderating a bit more on Friday. Right now it looks like that cold front is going to persist over the region, giving us more of an easterly flow to our winds, and that's going to allow us to stay in the 50s on Friday. So looking at our risk chart for today, we'll have a green chart for lightning and precipitation through today into the overnight hours, and then finally we'll see a yellow for precipitation with that backdoor cold front moving through after 5 o'clock local on Thursday morning. Our winds are gusting up to 22 knots currently. That'll continue around 22 knots with the gust this morning, and then we'll see possibly a peak wind this afternoon at southwest 9 to 14 sustained and gust to 23 knots. Our high today will be around 75 degrees, so a very similar day. We'll see today as we saw yesterday with highs in the mid-70s. And then once again we'll continue to see our yellow with the possibility of winds near that 25 knot criteria this evening. Once we move into the evening hours, we'll see our winds becoming south-southwest at 7 to 12 knots, and with that change out of the south and off the water, our temperatures will drop quickly, and we'll see temperatures from the 70s moving into the mid-50s by our evening time period. And our overnight low tonight looks to be around 52 to 53 degrees, so we'll have that wind off the water, and then our wind will turn more northeasterly by tomorrow morning at 9 to 14 knots, and a possible gust up to 18 knots. Our ceilings will drop quite quickly with that cold front moving through for tomorrow morning with a red by 4 to 8 o'clock on Thursday morning. Looking at our 24-hour terminal forecast, currently we have a broken deck at 1,600 feet, broken deck at 2,300 feet, will likely become scattered at 2,000, scattered at 3,000. By noontime, we'll see a few clouds at 1,500 feet, a few clouds at 6,000 feet. Have a slight chance we remain with a scattered deck 1,500 feet and a scattered deck at 6,000 feet until about 1 o'clock or 1,300 local. Moving into the 1,800 local time period, we'll see a chance we have that fog moving back in the region with our wind switching out of the south-southwest. And then we move in the overnight time period, we'll see abundance of low cloudiness Thursday at 3 local. We'll see a broken at 300 feet, overcast deck at 800 feet, 1 mile statute visibility with patchy fog and mist, and we'll have a likely scenario of reduced visibilities at half a mile with fog moving the region. And by our Thursday 8 o'clock local time period, we'll see an overcast deck at 300 feet, 3 mile statute visibility with some mist and a chance of some rain showers in the region. Our tides are currently normal. Looking at Thursday and Friday, Thursday will be quite a different day than we'll experience today. A high of only 53 during the morning, temperatures falling in the upper 40s by the afternoon. We'll have overcast skies, abundant low cloudiness and patchy fog, a slight chance of a light rain shower, and most likely just see some drizzle across the region. We'll have a yellow for precip and a red for our ceilings and visibilities. And Thursday night we'll have abundant low cloudiness and patchy fog, a slight chance of light rain and drizzle across the area. A low of 42 degrees, yellow for precipitation, and we'll see a red for our ceilings and visibilities. And for Friday, we'll have overcast skies to mostly cloudy skies, a chance of lingering light rain shower or drizzle during the morning. We'll continue to see those abundant low cloudiness and patchy fog throughout the day on Friday, high of 54 degrees. And as I mentioned, Friday could be a slightly warmer if that cold front does move north of the region quicker than the models they're depicting right now. But right this moment, we'll stick with a high in the mid-50s. Looking at the next 7 days, we'll see 75 degrees today with a record high expected, 52 tonight, 53 for our Thursday, with some rain showers and drizzle around, almost a duplicate day on Friday with temperatures in the mid-50s for highs with light rain and drizzle around. And Saturday and Sunday we'll see a warming trend. Saturday and Sunday, neither day will be a washout, but we'll have some showers around both days. Saturday looks like the best chance of rainfall will be during the evening hours with a warm front moving through. And then Sunday we'll see some chances of rain showers during the morning and as well as the late afternoon, the evening hours. Sunday looking at a near record high of 72 degrees. Our record high on Sunday is 73, so we could be surpassing that if we do see a little bit less cloud cover during the afternoon hours on Sunday. And then Monday and Tuesday, we'll see temperatures becoming more seasonable, still about 5 degrees above average. So after we get done this 7-day period, we're looking for possibly near a record February warmth for the month. We'll see temperatures continuing in the mid-50s for early next week before we'll see a cool down possibly for the beginning of March. Well, that's going to complete the 10 a.m. weather briefing this morning. I hope everybody has a great day. Back tomorrow morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m.